Hello everyone. My name is Sprague. Welcome to Introduction to Environmental Science, Richard Stockton University, Spring 2021, ENVL 1100, offered here at Mates. So for this course, students in this class will learn how the Earth's physical and biological systems function and how humans both depend on and alter these systems. Topics covered in the course will include terrestrial systems, aquatic systems, science of global climate change. In this class, the students will become familiar with the course topics by engaging in interactive lectures, learn to recognize the basic scientific principles at work in our environment, gain a broader understanding and appreciation of the scientific study of our environment, and the work with classmates as a team, with students serving as a role of a leader, note taker, and speaker at various times throughout the semester. The course resources will include a textbook, Environment, The Science Behind the Stories, by J. Withgod, 5th edition, with support of materials for each of the topics. Readings will be distributed along with videos to help support the lessons that they are being taught. Also for the course, the students are required to read the book Ishmael by Daniel Quinn, which is a novel that is accessible for free as a PDF online. The topics that we'll be covering, but are not limited to, include science and sustainability, evolution, biodiversity and population ecology, community ecology, ecosystem ecology. We'll dive into environmental policy and talk about human population dynamics. We'll go out in the field and study some soil science, as well as bring samples back to the class. Biotechnology, forest and forest management, and we'll also talk about toxicology along with climate change. The students will do hands-on labs in the class. There will be field work. For those students that are full virtual, they will be given alternative assignments or will be asked to come along and Zoom or FaceTime during the class if we're going to somewhere in the field around the school. So we do not have a field bus this semester, but we will be accessing many places by foot. The students will be required to keep a working notebook from the field or any of the labs that we work on. Attendance is taken daily. Failure to attend or make up lectures or lab assignments or homework will actually affect their grade in a negative way. So, so far so good. Students are showing up properly on time and are engaged in the course. For the grading and the grading policy, grades will be based on a variety of criteria, including tests and quizzes, lab activities and weekend assignments and investigations, class projects and presentations, homework assignments, and participation. The tests and quizzes are going to be taken during the full remote during the evening. That way it's an even playing field for all students. So if the student is full virtual or the student is in a hybrid section, the test will be assigned for after school to be completed at their leisure, depending on their extracurricular or work or other homework assignments. Grading is still done on the point scale. We follow the Mates breakdown for the grading for the course. All of the assignments are weighted based on how much work or effort do they have to put in. Generally, the homework assignments are 5 points to 10 points. Labs are 50 to 100 points, and most exams fall in that 30 to 60 points or so in that range. Lab write-ups, like I said, they'll be worth about 30, 50 to 100 points in that range. And depending on how much work and effort and time is spent during the lab will determine the point total. So I know it is a challenging semester. It's a challenging semester for the students, challenging semester for ourselves, but we're able to get through everything, and I do plan on covering all of the material that I usually cover. And like I said, I'll have to shape a couple of labs or modify some things just so that we can make it work. And looking forward to the leaves coming back on the tree and the weather to turn for us here. So my name's Adam Sprague again. You know me from biotechnology. You can reach me at asprague@mail.ocvts.org. Again, asprague@mail.ocvts.org. And if you have any questions at any point, feel free to reach out. Everyone have a great day, and we're looking forward to a good spring semester.